Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Photoshop mobile application, and after that we can choose a photo we want to edit. For instance, I'm going to edit this photo. Click on the photo, and I'm going to edit the face of this girl, guys, using the face features. We can go to the face feature right here, click on it. Then you will be able to edit the face, lips, nose, eyes, and the contour. And I'm going to edit the face. I'm going to change the face size. I'm gonna make it smaller, guys, a little bit. And then for the face width, I'm going to decrease it as well. And then for the lips, I'm just going to leave it like that. And then the nose, I'm going to increase the height. Okay. And for the eyes, I'm gonna make it bigger, so we can click on the size, then we can just go right like this to make it bigger. And then for the contour, I'm going to make it the jawline sharper. Okay. And then for the chin, I'm going to reduce it as well. Alright, and this is the final result. And if you want to save your editing on Photoshop, you just need to click on this button or this icon, and then the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that is how basically we can edit photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.